Mitigate threats to critical infrastructure and potential disruptions to your supply chain with DisasterAWARE. Proactively identify vulnerabilities ahead of a potential disruption. DisasterAWARE supports scenario development and advanced planning for natural hazards, geopolitical disruptions, weather delays, and more. DisasterAWARE provides a safe and secure data connection to all of your critical asset and supply chain information, allowing you to conduct live monitoring of assets and probabilistic risk assessments for potential disruptions. With DisasterAWARE, you get free access to the most reliable, built-in modeled hazard data, as well as the most scientifically advanced real-time hazard impact models. Also get comprehensive historical hazard data and predictive risk and vulnerability data to help identify the likelihood and potential consequences of events. Access global, regional, and local infrastructure data such as roads, bridges, seaports, utilities, and other critical infrastructure. Quickly identify threats and receive real-time early warning alerts augmented by AI. DisasterAWARE provides global early warning alerts for 28 different types of natural and geopolitical events that may impact your supply chain or critical assets. Also receive alerts about potential hazard impacts to critical transportation and evacuation routes. Track and receive notifications about supplies and personnel in transit who may be in harm's way. This provides advanced lead time to mitigate threats and protect supply line integrity. Quantify the criticality of impacts to assets, including monetary and personnel impacts. This includes customizable asset reports and alerting based on hazard severity, value of assets, personnel, and more.